I'm just waiting for my tow truck.
Bullshit.
But yeah, my clutch has gone out. Like, it's hella like, there's no engagement. No engagement. We're getting it dealt with. Yeah, we're not gonna let this little predicament get in the way. We're still gonna have a good rest of our little trip here in LA. It's gonna get extended. Nissan, it's not open until Monday, so we're just gonna hang out. How about that? We live kind of late. I like personally leaving. Yeah, 400s to come at like 2022 or something, like stock twin turbo. The Datsun headlights, 370s mid body, and then the Fairlady back with how the lights look. Yeah.
I like the Fairlady back.
Yeah.
Matter of fact.
Maliki balls.
3 hours. We can play again. Blake's just upset.
No.
Blake wants to go back to NorCal.
No.
I haven't lost.
Smackaroni. Fast and Furious Bob. I'll fast forward 2 days. Changing out my clutch because it went out on me. Alright, show y'all the progress of what we got going on. So she is gone. Alright, so that's what we're working on right now. Shot. Ooh. Pressure plate looks fucked. Just so you guys know, this is what your clutch is not supposed to look like. Man. Tarnished. Pressure plate tarnished. Yeah, crazy. Nissan was not gonna replace none of this for $5 grand. It's nuts. Flywheel shot too. Flywheels definitely getting replaced, but this is the part of being a car enthusiast, man. This is what you do it for. We're gonna get the parts probably today. We'll install them tomorrow, and I'll probably be back home probably Friday this weekend. Oh, who the fucking knows? I'll probably move here.
You got it?
Yeah, I had to find this little guy.
Oh. Yeah, there's not much space.
You know, you're good. Take your time. All right, y'all, we just leaving the beach. Puff coing it up. We posted. Parts should be here at 1 o'clock. You guys see that, right? That ceramic. Ooh, that's beautiful. You see these? A lot more pressure. Oh yeah. Oh, you see that? Beautiful. And this motherfucker right here is called the Slave. That's nuts. Hell yeah. New flywheel, looking sexy.
Pretty much already by hand, by ear, by whatever, by feeling.
That's what we working with. Transfer about to go back in. All right, everything is getting reassembled back on. Drive shaft, transmission. Everything's put back together, the wiring. We tried to bleed it, noticing that it's not my Slave cylinder, it's the master cylinder. So I'm waiting and see when I could get those parts later this evening or tomorrow. Still in LA. Yeah, we getting there. I gotta believe.
There'll always be someone new.
Motherfucking got a whole bunch of new parts, so we are installing it now. So we got the new master clutch cylinder. But yeah, my bitch. Oh, look at my clutch has been replaced. Flywheel has been replaced. Master cylinder has been replaced. Slave cylinder has been replaced. Back brakes have been replaced. Let's see what else. All fluids have been topped off and replaced. Thanks to everyone that helped me out. Oscar, you've been great. I'm definitely gonna be back down to be doing more work on my car. You hooked it up and let me work with you, using your tools, showing me what's what, teaching me all the things that I need to know about my car. Really do appreciate you, man. We're gonna break in the clutch. I was passing the beach, might as well just go ahead and enjoy it. It's a fucking Lambo. I'm gonna catch you with y'all later. Ooh, look at all these old schools. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Sheesh. But yeah, it's been a crazy week. I'm gonna get back to SAC. And yeah.
I got the drop on the auspicious car. I got 100 inside of a trunk.
Holy fuck, y'all, look at this crazy shit. That's wild.